Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the rig. Make sure R15 V4 is active and you have a backup copy because changes are destructive. Open the animator or the track mode panel and enable track mode now. This initializes the solver. Next, select a single target part, head, torso, or 1/2 limb to keep things predictable. You do this to limit degrees of freedom. Fewer targets mean faster convergence and clearer behavior when you move to the next steps. Once the target is selected, configure weight, stiffness, and damping so the rig follows without jitter. Begin with mid-range values, for example 0. 5 weight and moderate stiffness. Then adjust influence radius and blending to control how neighboring joints respond. Preview short 10 to 20 frame loops to see the effect. Make sure to lock unused joints and enable IK constraints where available, because that prevents unwanted drift. This tuning step is the core. It balances responsiveness versus natural motion. To finish, bake or record the tracked motion and export a version so you can revert if needed. This locks in your adjustments. Then run full body interaction tests, checking root motion and foot planting, make fine corrections to clips or add small corrective keyframes where necessary. If you encounter jitter or popping, try lowering stiffness, increasing damping, or narrowing influence radius, and then re-preview a short loop. One tip: when things still go wrong, isolate the problematic joint and retune only its weight parameters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.